Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to add or deposit money in Cash App. First thing first, open Cash App on your device. Tap the Money tab, which is the bank icon on your home screen. Then tap Add Money. This opens the amount selection screen. Just type in how much money you want to send or add. Now tap Add, which confirms the amount you want to add and you entered. Now to verify, use Touch ID or enter your PIN to confirm the transfer. And done, the money is now in your Cash App balance and ready to send, spend, or invest. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.